What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, boy, Dyema and Rosealee at it, my people. Yes, them kick off, my people. Dyema and Rosealee no longer friends. And a long time here people are saying, you know what I mean? And see it there, it come to light, you know. Come like them they try to keep it on the hush hush, but them couldn't keep it for too long. You see me? So Dyema share some things, my people, and Rosealee come clap back. Also, you have Ivany forward, and you know what I mean? You just say beat Dyema in a way, cause when she did I go through fear look a thing with you, yeah, I guess Dyema did. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, speak against it or whatever. But I'm gonna make you hear what Ivany I say. You see me I say, sunshine, you know, my people, sunshine have some things to say. So me don't know if me left out nothing, but I don't know me I don't know where go with me already, my people. Me not gonna remember everything we have to share, so whatever I don't hear in the intro, we definitely I go see in the video. So we could get in it, my people.
Yes, my love. So me no want Cked done ring her head. Me tell you no say Rosealee don't look happy and him carry go throw in the wilderness. Cked never have no bedroom set in him life. Then Cked take Rosealee money go buy this, that and blah blah rare. Okay. Remember me bad mind, you know. Always remember say me bad mind. Yeah. Always. But Jakes there, somebody wake up Jakes and make him go wash off him cocky and come out, man. Jakes asleep like him used to bed. Get up, Jakes. Argument out the road. Yeah. So me no know. I really don't know. I'm looking for a bargain. I'm looking for a store. I need so many things. I just can't walk anymore. Yeah. Me nah ask you know. He ma beg Rosealee don't come on the live with it. But through everything but so called Rosealee can't hold for her mouth. Rosealee cannot hold for. Yes, my love, me can't bother beat on the bush no more. Whole word, somebody knows say a whole word advertisement. So when them a guani, a trouble in the camp and never peace. Them coulda never trick me. Sprinkle a little salt under my tongue, it will help the headache. Hey, Batty man, mine never put salt under my tongue and it send up my pressure, you know. Mine, you know. Then supposed to put the salt under my tongue and my pressure ignite to 1-2 knot. Eh? Mine, you know. How are you here, about me? Make sure say it will help, you know. I will cuss and go on body. Hey, you don't want price me 2 gigabytes? How much? 1 tablespoon of salt I must put under my tongue? Eh? Put a tablespoon of salt. Yes, sir. Eh? Somebody said 5 tablespoons of salt. That's so much salt I have to put under my tongue. Then I might as well go to El Shago drinking. Yeah, how can I do this story this? Be real, what pinch? Oh, put a pinch. But suppose my pinch them big. Suppose my pinch them big like Guinea seed. Put a cup and What else for them?
One more today.
They deserve it. God knows. Yeah, if anybody deserves it, it's she. It's she. And then them sit down there, and you sit down and you pretend, and you spaz out, and you guani pan Jakes, and you class Jakes. Jakes supposed somebody wake up Jakes before he piss to start life. Me no want Jakes piss to start life. Wake him up. Oh. All them suck me ya. You see how, hey, you don't see how wickedness can prevail. When me tell you, so when you're looking at Rosalee's face, she's not happy. She is worried. She want burst, I don't know how for burst. Joke yourself with a pain. Yeah. You understand what I say? It just... She buy a new family, she knows a new family expensive. Then Akin could have never come on the internet and trick a girl like me. From Akin come on the internet, I know say them boy are not used to nothing. Them boy are live from Airbnb to Airbnb and call it home. Nobody could have never tell me nothing. Nobody. I wanna walk and buy fandangles off of the app. Me now go tell a lie when Akim a show World Dog in bed. Me said the boy are don't used to nothing. I saw it feel when you come on for people things and go on for your own. Me not tell no lie. Wanna make people fandangles friend or wanna too much. Me can't play with you now. Me don't know where someone come from, you know, as God be my witness. Them use the same set of trick where them use on the internet. I eat Akim use pan Rosealee. And from day one, me sit down on the app. And I've been saying this to you guys. Wanna encourage this lady in her own demise. And see there, cause when people talk them bad man, oh me for bad man a girl like that who don't even know for her head from her foot. Yeah, see a little fat drop on. Then come here, pause a little there. Oh, Sunshine Doll reaching another argument now. Because in all fairness, Sunshine Doll, anybody where support you kill is. I remember one of the same set a big stinking nasty old woman where used to walk and support Rosealee. So all of a sudden now, you come and hype up on Rosealee with your Syrian house. Cause everything in your house buy out at the Syrian store. Everything in your living come with a sheen, you know. It come with a sheen. Me not tell no lie. Are you silver out? Me don't know how you for open your door, Sunshine, and I support the coolie man liberty inside. Make it make sense. Me nothing in a your house are foreign, no manageable, no look hot, no look hype, no look antique, no look authentic. Everything that is down to the poorest girl at Tivoli, you can't even compete with her with your. Me eat your house. Too much shine, me think about me yard. Me not in the light Sunshine Doll. Me your house full of decoration.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think. So me answer cause, boy, you see them people up on TikTok, me not put nothing past them, you know. Cause today them we good and tomorrow them a war. You see me answer, so me not put nothing past them. You see me answer, so let me know what you think, my people. Make you watch some more.
Nothing necessary. I can bet you have a storeroom with pure wheelchair, walker and cane. Remember hospital you work. We don't know how you jump into the argument. When we remember say you support this big bitch and then turn on now with your alkaline bodybuilding, muscle looking shoulder them and I come around up your stinking mouth. Go on yeah? Go on because the only thing you have in your house to show is vanity and none of them they can go on the wheel. None of them they can go on the wheel. So I don't know where I cost girl in your house. If I me like you, me shame. I leave them something for ticky who just run off. If they are far too long for you live in a sheen. Oh man, I don't like your little liberty. But don't like your little liberty. Yeah, the whole of the walk and mind man like dog. Go talk about your body man son. You tell you're busy and open your door to the internet, go open your door to your Batman son. Cause you alone give up and pick your father and like your stepfather and like him. Remember you abandoned your child for run down body when unnecessary, body when dead from the root like Shalom on. Go on yeah? Lady move. Excuse out of my way Sunshine, your shoulder them too thick. Excuse. Yeah. I wanna said one come at me for Rosealee. Wanna so cocky girl. I wanna said one come and walk and buy body. I wanna the H paper till wanna say to wrinkle. Wanna still a buy cocky. Yeah, I wanna see him when I look on uno. All you kick up one person and rail up and a galang bad boy, Rosealee. You and Rosealee the same thing. The only thing that will change you and Rosealee is your climate. You have autumn, winter and spring, and sometimes you get a little snow with it. Yeah, Rosealee beach tropics all year round. That's the only thing we separate. You are the same thing. Remember man on the silver picnic, you know? Remember I want to breed for old man and disappointed after I'm gone. Remember, go run down your Batman son, sunshine doll. Go and run him down. Yeah, not until you build a band with him. Then you can come and talk. Uno said one defend Rosealee, so uno for this. Uno too hypocritical. Where? The old people you look after. Old people you look after. Go clip them wrinkle. Them skin want drop and clip. You want something to do all when you get the half. I say me never see a woman for open up a Shine store, so our Syrian store. Yeah, everything for she come from the Indian shop. Yeah, everything when sunshine dollar cost nobody in our house them for come so. I pay Indian liberty. Move from here, so you know cooling. Yeah, now back to the matter and no. With Akeem, I don't know how I reach this, but I one video where I did see me remember. Yeah. That's something I remember. Go to you to Victoria without the secrets. Yeah. Auntie with the map, see it right here, so. See it right here, so. The zoom up on me, it'll hurt me. I hurt my man, I so map. Anytime I map, I stay long on the live, I don't like it. Yeah, them used to rep for Rosealee. When you remember when one of them come at me? When all of them came at me, when tell me I talk the truth. How long me I sit down and I say, oh no, I'm going to make this lady go right down in her own demise. How long? I keep take the girl and carry the girl gone over where you are. And you tell me, say, you still take money from the girl? Me not in a lie, when I put Rosealee in where she used to batty life. I batty live it una do. Me not tell her no lie. No lie. Never say come see Akeem. Never say come see Akeem. You understand me? Then remember Akeem come and say him come to show these ladies a better way of living. Remember these are his words. These are his words. So when Akeem Muma, when they are firing about Rosealee 800,000, see all him take 1.9 from Rosealee. When they must say, him and his mother work together, them come for ring by any means necessary. Snow out there, Snow out there where Akeem for Nyamo, but Snow have Akeem pan a leash. Why Akeem never Nyamo out Snow? Why Snow never bust Akeem to all of them here? Why? Why? But a good for Rosealee. You swap Black Dog for Monkey. So the boy put in 2K90. A good for you. And your wickedness them a aunt you. Yeah. You get a bad wicked from you. Me tell you. Yeah. When you make threat now, for say, you gotta bring it to, bring it to the internet, but Snow just a throw one point on our status. Snow will push up. Snow will put up cash out. A throw order, cash out. Make it make sense. You only can walk and fool the internet. And who want buy it, Anybody want buy it, feel free. And matter of fact, you don't have to buy it, take it. Yeah, cause that nah sell. Yeah. Now ask you know. Yeah man, if I get to him now, he might be God do come on the app with it. But Rosealee not stop flying out in a secret. All Rosealee is long so. I say from Akeem Carey I go far, not even the filter work. Not even the filter work. Oh, I just peer truth here, see you know. I peer truth here, see. No, it's true. When everybody jump up and say my bad mind and say me this and say me that, me see it come long time, see there, you borrow $2.7 million from the girl and Rosealee not stop laying you. And the one little time Rosealee texts you and asks you for suck your hood, all I know she not get the cocky in her mouth. All I know she don't get the cocky in her mouth. She not even get it on her nose to sniff it. Make it rock her like coke. Not even that. They eat milk in the cow, milk in the cow, milk in the cow. I wonder if this is a brown cow. Yeah, you keep milking the cow. Milk and milk the cow. See, then no say nothing to stay hid. Not even the killing of Naya. Nothing to stay hidden. Then only know that. Then Rosealee dip on the app long time, your whole stink, your man for Senegal beard, you know brush teeth, back of your head are rotten, come in one say back of your mouth, back of your head are rotten cause a father teeth there. You understand me? And you really not gain no knowledge, you really not stop walk and buy cocky Rosealee, you will spend £1 million body, which you did. Then you must make Akeem feel like a star, for girl pay so much for promise, and Jesus promised we, oh, he promised me a home over there. Yeah, look how much things Jesus promised we and him give away. Eh? And Akeem I promise you and you appear. And one thing Jesus said, if you pray unto me, I give you everything but I promise you. You think it hard for prayer. Eh? Rosealee, then you really and truly spend $1.9 million on boy when I want you. And you have Shanta who wear edges there, so she never did a wear wig. Eh? Shanta never wear wig yet from Shabana, she lose her edges. And you not spend the $1.9 million on triple ear growth oil for your daughter. Then wanna take care of phone pick me, I wanna want me respect one of my kids. Eh? I only did want me a nice, clean, look good mother fashionista. Sit up on my fridge top here, respect one of pick me come suck my bum from back way when me have diarrhea. Come lick out my body hole from back way. Me take a douche with your tongue. Yeah. You don't want your tongue wiggle up in me like feet, Emina. Young mother. Me have church tomorrow, auntie. Alright, yeah. $2.7 million. That's why the mama can come out and talk about. They are my grandkids. I love them. You must love them if millions appear. Remember, you know, a million to buy phone love. And my rather wanna eat me. Me rather only eat me. Them say money can't buy happiness, money cannot buy love. And girls still out there pay for love, then them can't read. Are them deaf? Me rather only eat me. That's why I like when some people eat me, because it costs when too much people like you. Family for sale is true pink party. Everybody are running because
some people, I don't believe where Shibada say Rosealee give Akeem that amount of money. Tell me in the comment section, because I don't feel so still. Because at the end of the day, I feel like Akeem having money. You see me I say, him having money. Remember see a 2-car man going on, man, one Benz and one Chevy, you know. You see me I say, and he say, sir, you know what I mean? So me don't know. Tell me what you think, my people.
He's an idiot. Everybody for running, make life out of she. Rosealee the girl from Akeem the pandemic. Rosealee the girl bust him to bedroom set. Me nah ask you this. Me nah ask you. Rosealee a girl by Akeem in first wheels. No girl, no boy can come tell me nothing. Cause anytime man I get them first wheels, bite them take. A boy have a genuine love car. Me nah ask you. A pay like come on the app come tell. Rosealee walk and buy man vehicle and bedroom set. Rosealee could have live a foreign. She could have live a foreign cause she know if you do CNA work. And mine man. Me nah ask you. Rosealee deserve the visa. Then what are we about the visa now? What are we me here say kick off go on an embassy? Me I wonder if Rosealee get the visa. Me I wonder if she get the visa. And that me I wonder if she get the visa, cause me I hear like a tingling, you know. Yeah, school bell a ring. But me no want to say nothing yet. Me no want to say nothing yet. So me no know, but me hear say some kick off go on. Somebody can lick Junior 6. Junior favor vomit here. God know Junior favor vomit. And most of promoter will deal with dead send for Junior. Junior could have really Junior favor vomit. Junior favor like man with sexing for opportunity. Me don't like Junior for true. Junior look like man with sexing for opportunity. Junior look like him using body to get through. Me not talk. It's true. It's true. I appear sick my stomach people, but nevertheless moving right along. I don't want them come back though. I will send me the American, so my filing come true. Thank God for the American plane. Oh, see, can you see by the pearly lost life, and surrounded we grow by the fracture we traded. Oh, striped blinds and bright skies, and surrender your lives, and the rocket red glad, the bomber spinning air gave through the night, that a flag was still there. Oh, say dang dang star spangled banner, for the land of the free and the home of the brave. Send me the more of them something there. Me can't believe this singing. Too much singing. Yeah. Me go to Super Bowl. Me do Super Bowl, but I don't want you outside. You're fully forgiven. You're fully sorry the nice. Oh, they know when me I read. Yeah. Pull up the free. Me I sing for Olympic. When I stop congratulating me, I don't feel over special. I don't feel over special. I will burst out in tears, you know. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. America don't know what they're missing. Yeah. England playing auntie. Did England playing? This is the wrong country making the anthem. Did England playing? So the wrong country making the anthem? How would they blow? I want one yes, me not sing over, you know? Me not doing it. Fear is fear, they never write it down. Not sing over again, man. Backside wall. I'm not doing it. Fear is fear. I'm not doing it. I'm not singing over. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm not singing over. I take the wrong flight. It seemed. And that's why I fly so long. I wonder if Rosealee could have taken the wrong flight, then Akeem carry Rosealee gone down in one country where the kitchen don't look good like theme own. The kitchen don't look good like theme own. Akeem know what he want. Me eat dirty people like that. Akeem is just a dirty narcissist boy. But nevertheless, sometimes you can't blame them. Them don't want to work and them walk around and rob people. A theme lifestylist and them are robbing in front of them. I remember when they did subscribe to the nastiness. I only did subscribe to the nastiness, only dirty people. I only did sit down and subscribe. Me now look on uno. Yeah. I know Akeem down with the girl $2.7 million. Then Rosealee have $2.7 million. You did have $3 million, Rosealee. And you know, go upstairs for your mama Rata Castle. Rosealee, all your big and kill is Akeem for go with all your fat, but I should not have so much space to store them. Me now tell you, when you come back.
Hey, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Make you watch some more.
If I favor urban, and that me want to make you do when you're done. When you come back, if you favor urban and she no legend. Come on now, oh, she had disappeared, so I'm concerned about urban. Urban and Dyema come like them run for the slim line. Yeah, when they them plan for advertise dental floss. I don't know how a Dyema and she just a suck down, so them just a disappear, but they look like urban now. Me don't know after figure it out, now give Dyema some of the money. Me don't know how that weight here gonna look come next month. Me don't know what kind of image Dyema gonna give it next month, knowing that I'm a man robber. Can't take the different image, you know, I can't keep up. When I saw up on the road, I can identify when a man, when I go bounce up on the shoulder, I go elbow and realize that when I'm a friend, Hush Dyema, then Dyema, oh yeah, with us, so. Then Dyema have a problem. Come here, Dyema. You have a problem. I'ma address you this morning, Dyema. You have a problem with ivany pan life and blame them attack how much you have AIDS. But Dyema, if blame them say you have AIDS, you have AIDS. Dyema, if blame them say you have AIDS, you have AIDS. I won't leave road you run with your crutches. You run road with the crutches from before them start change the number them on the bus for the different route. You are on the road with your crutches a long time. From before taxi decide for throw out pan policeman and be robot. Me nah ask you, Dyema. So if blame them say you have AIDS, Dyema, walk with it. You have AIDS. You know why? When Rosealee sit down and attack say people have AIDS, you know jump up and say nothing, but AIDS fit you because you alone are shrinking to the four. And you alone are shrinking to the four. So anything blame them say Allah. Dyema, if them say you have AIDS, you have AIDS. You go like a girl where we see you take a vacation at clinic. From we know you will never see you take vacation at clinic. It's if blame them say you have AIDS, work with it. Because when you sit down with your big fat friend, when you sit down with the breadwinner, and the breadwinner diss up everybody, you sit and you smile and you never say to the breadwinner yet say, don't say that, you're wrong. So why you come out now, come take life and a different? Blame them say you have AIDS, you have it, appear little boy, you take and them little boy, you carry, you ask ivany, because she walk and issue things to them like she keep convention in her crutches. Yeah. We don't like it. We don't like when time the shoe is on the other foot. We don't like it. Rosealee sit down on Rosealee par and every day Rosealee walk and talk say people sick and people this and people that and you never as a big long time before time woman where you so chew a word pan Noah. You never yet say Rose don't say that because sickness is respect of no person. You never one day say that you know say your friend have one kidney and you are shrink with your two kidney them. Just one. Yeah, you never do that. Fear is fear. Yeah, we don't like here though. It not sit well with you though. They might blame them say you have AIDS, and Ivan is supposed to laugh. Because from one sick to one next sick, Ivan is going to laugh at it. Yeah. Ivan is going to laugh at it. From one sick to another sick. Blame them say you're sick and him a tell her sick say you sick. So she laugh after it, one sick laugh. So why you not come out, come laugh though? Come out, come laugh. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing is wrong with that. Your shop mash up and your house one fix. Not even JPS, but I go pay the back bill. Eh? Go on, yeah? Go on. Anyways, over Kim. Come Kim because you come for make it and you make it. You know, you go on, you know, Kim. Finally, you feel free now. You don't have to live under snow bandage. Finally, you're supposed to have 100,000 in your card. You're supposed to have 100,000 per your card. You can put gas in your bike. Courtesy of Rosealee. Rosealee make this happen. Rosealee do this now. Courtesy. Curdy. You see your life funny. And now when you said one come and say how you make Rosealee can go out now, feel confident. Tall. Oh yeah. You make Rosealee feel confident in herself and can go out. Then the peanut she used to sell a cat things not out that. Anyway we not have no roof not out. Ma! You check for that something for me? No, I can't do that, you're right here. Eh? Don't do that. Yeah. You understand me? So how comes? Or you come to teach them a better way? Me not understand. How? And a $2.7 million for teach you a better way. Me no want to coach you. You for go coach football, Akeem. You're too expensive. Where you can't coach the Jamaican them? You for go coach football and come and show Rosealee down in the wilderness. Way down in the wilderness, simply bliss. Which by you send Rosealee not even taxi she can't find down. You put Rosealee in a gated community when she busy and look on gully all her life. All her life. The child busy and look on gully. What? Him go on here. And you beg her do come on live with Rosealee. If you stifle Quint. I know you're stifling. And Jake's supposed to laugh. You see a little bit of money put up on Jake's? Foundation, you know. Jake's a laugh. 3 fingers you push up in a Jake's and all the shit come out of freedom. You loosen Jake's bowl, you know him a do upon him own. A big.
Klap, come here. Me can't talk this aloud. Put on the ears right, yes, so. Put on the ears, yes, so. Me say, Sunshine Doll say she get one video with Hakim a suck a hood. Them say not even in teeth, no blood clot touch it. Then say Hakim suck a hood better than a girl. Me say, Sunshine Doll say not even teeth, no touch the hood. Better than a girl. Stiff. Me say, they say them a go send it over mountain. Live goal, please. Miss Live Goal is cheap. Support my Live Goal. Dyema, I don't know what you gonna find out. Dyema, Rose says she can't put down money. Cause you're a thief. But come here. You know, here say, remember say, no, me don't ever lie or me don't ever true. But me here say, I can take 1.9 million out of Rose account. So Rose is called fraud squad. Fi say somebody hacking her account. Me say Jake somewhere laughing right now. Me say pure honey if Dyema deserve it. I remember when Dyema come out when she and Rose in the Airbnb and she say, me don't know where Rose do that. Did I do that the ugly boy there? Ugly like our with the big bump. Me see Desha me did the on the live, man. Yeah, I saw she this Jakes, you know. Desha, I saw it, honey, I saw it. Yeah, she said, me don't know where Rose does. She not the ugly boy there. Oh, ugly boy, big bump on your face. The fuck are you? You get it? Rose. You remember Sonia? Rose. You remember Kazia? Rose. In camp put the money on Dana. Oh, come here. You remember say, me share the video there? Me did make a video about it.
Well, my people, you see, you have to pay the consequences for your actions. You see me? You are a hot boy. Well, hot boy come with expense. You see it. But people, enough time them people you come sell a story. You know what I mean? So me not quick to believe what them a say. You understand? Because all them know say that go on. And you know what I mean? That the and like say the information public. You see me I say? So all them know. Let me know what you think, my people. Make me watch some more.
When Rose got boom Sunday, and Rose throw the money in the bucket, you remember? And Dyema people over so in a Rose purse. All that Rose talk about. Me say, that Rose chat Dyema about. Me say, Rose, me I beg you, send the people and come back and attack Sunshine Doll. We want here. Rose, answer Sunshine Doll. Tell Rose me want you come cuss Sunshine Doll again and me want you talk about Sunshine Doll baby because me want Rose talk. Me want Sunshine Doll talk everything. Sunshine Doll say last night so she a hold back some. So me want you send your enablers, your minions go attack Sunshine Doll again and cuss her because then cuss Sunshine Doll like a dog. Say Sunshine Doll throat deep and shitty and this and all kind of Sunshine Doll say okay. Me say one look a birdie just call Sunshine Doll and give Sunshine Doll all of the mate. All of the mate. Her Rose a chat Dyema. Oh, say, Dyema bad mind her. When she buy the BMW, Dyema bad mind her. Say, what? My dear, they come here. Sandy, you know, here say, Sunshine Dal say, Aki, Mama, Annie, you see your Annie? Me no sorry for you, no Annie. Me say, you see your Annie? Say, Annie did give for Sunshine Dal, cousin jacket.
Is nobody Rosealee for nobody cheer for upon the app. You're a disgrace to the whole world woman community. You are a disgrace. You are a charismite to the woman community. Rosealee, remember say a TikTok bill. A TikTok bill and it go break you. And a TikTok bill me have a 9 to 5 rose. My data set like the ice in a freezer. My daughter set for the rest of her life like the ice in a freezer. Rose, not talk about my daughter. Don't call my daughter name in your mouth. No call my daughter Banya, my daughter American citizen. My daughter set, when I say my daughter set, she set like the ice in a freezer. How what do you, Rose? You don't have half of what my daughter have. Me look a 5-year-old, you not gonna have half of what she have, Rose, and you will never. You move out to your mother house, you should move in your old house. And you're not moving at a rent house, you're going in your workplace. A Jake's successor, Madio. True Jake's come out and talk. It'll beat you. Rosealee, go take care of your health. Take care of your vagina first. You don't need a gynecologist. You need more than a gynecologist. That's what you need. You need more than a gynecologist, Rosealee. Go and take care of your vagina. And after you take care of your vagina, you gotta take care of your foot. That's when me and you meet up together in a real life, Rose. We can back it out because one little shot a girl and me see beat you. Don't worry and you say, oh, are your foot sick and that's why you drop. Me don't want you to come back and tell TikTok so when me clash in a life, you say, are your foot why Sunshine I'll beat you up. Rosealee, me not afraid of no girl. Anywhere in a Jamaica me come, me go. And people see that. And me go live. Yeah, me make sure go live because me not afraid of nobody. Yeah, they might report me live, people. The type F1 because they might report me live. They might report me live. Rosealee, don't come for me. Me I warn you. Because I'm not afraid of you, I'm not afraid of your man. Because remember, you know, I threw me a lick out for your man yesterday, you come for me, you know, girl. Because I talk about your mother-in-law give me cousin jacket, you know. And I'm auntie that look about him down at Whitehall. Ask him if he deliver Whitehall. Ask him now. Ask him if he deliver Whitehall. And him next little brother, him usually spot him up because we never know say my jacket. Until the DNA prove. Hey girl, don't come for me now. No bother with me no, Rosealee. Cause Rosealee, me will done it like an empty gun. Cause you see people on the app and want to come bully and things that people can't cause. Cause when me attack and people come on my platform, me come tell me if it done. And Lord, this me not allow it. Your man a batty man. Your man a batty man. And he must know that in a real life. I'm not afraid of nobody. Me bad in a real life, Rose. Me bad in a real life. No girl can't use bathroom after you, Rosealee. Come here, say no, Rosealee. No girl can't use bathroom when I use that, you know. Oh, they have to make that ear out. They have to make that ear out. Hey, Rose, go look at life, Rose. Rose, you want to beat it. You sit down pan when you've done piss and shit. For pour up some water in your vagina and clean out that girl. And clean out your stinking body. All your enabler may support. I don't want your clout. Me don't want your clout, Rosealee. Cause all your enabler them a batty them finger. Batty them finger and flick out shit and then go cook food give people for them. Me don't want them pa my side. Rose, me don't want your enabler them pa my side. Rose, me don't want no clout cause your clout them are the worst clout pan TikTok. Me not ask Christ. How you think you be? But glad so Dyema just take her away from you. Cause you that bring down Dyema career and I mash up Dyema career. You dirty Rosealee. Stinky dinky. You me attack. You see the big like a flat. That between your leg. My man no wanna pillar this so. My man no wanna pillar this so. And stop call out the boy name cause Jake's no gonna eat your crutches. Cause any man see when you open your crutches and get that smell, they leave. They leave, Rosealee. Rosealee don't ramp with me, man. Rosealee never make me wheel out, you know, hey, no make me real out, you know, Rosealee. Cause you think so I can't trace? Me have dirtier than my mouth than you, you know, Rose. Rosealee, me have dirtier than my mouth than you, you know. But guess what? Me nah go do it. Guys, me I go end. You always look nasty. Every time when me see the video when Jabba take for meal in the season, only thing me I see a shit. When Akim buy the chicken leg, only thing me see a come out tight as shitty water. You nasty big rattly. You swing chair can't hold it. My one can't hold me and my husband and my baby night. Fear one too little fear. Fear one too little and tiny. Rose, go bat. Go bat. No man never tell me to go bat. Not 2 months till I go bed. Maybe even more. And we don't know because the maybe not ready to come out, come talk. No man now put them out underneath you. Liar tell pan jakes. No man, people don't look for me. Go on my story. Go on my profile and go look on the video on my post with Dari. I show me on TikTok and I post it. You go look on it. You look if man want go between them so go eat something. I must a mad man. I can't a real man. Rose, I can't a real man. Me I tell you, it can't be a real man. Girl, no come for me, man. No come for me. What you want me to do? Support you when you do wrong? Me not go support you when you do wrong, girl. And why me not go support you when you do wrong? Because I have a boy pitney and I have 2 girl pitney. I mean not support you because you're careless for the on the media. I talk out them dirtiness there when you want people money. Are you clout? You can talk out your life story for clout. Me not can talk out and tell a lie for myself for no clout. Rosie, everybody go at it because when people not come your way, you start cuss them. Go beard, man. You're full of... Hey, girl, don't make me get there. Don't make me get down in it. No make me go down in it. You love class people and boy, them suck this, them suck that, then this big, then that big. So you're one not bigger than everybody else one. You're one bigger than okay, you can't hold no man. Come in and know, oh, a man fit around you and have intercourse with you. That means say him really talk say vagina smell for truth. Him really talk say nanny smell. 1 GX for the app. Big up yourself, GX. 1 GX. GX. But now this year you them coming to the fitness settings. I'm love you them. I'm like how you treat them. I'm see them a grow. But now this them. If you come down and love the boy. 1 GX. You're king on the app youth. Cause I like what you do. I like what you do in a 4 month. You have a house. Bad mind take her. She come out at the place by song. That song there not for you, girl. Leave them song there to me. Other people we're clean. You're not clean. My man want to rest him head between your legs. You're crazy, my husband. You're crazy, girl. You know who is my husband? You know who is my husband? My husband no run joke cute. And when you come on for them child, him no run joke. You know who is my husband. When you come on for
Alright, my people, so I don't talk too much, you know what I mean? I run through the rest of this quick and fast, so let me know what you think, my people. Make we get back in it.
Paris, we see pass through the camera a while and go on a little self. Him not run joke. You feel like you can come for everybody something. Girl, go put on out. Me have a white dress upstairs. Me willing to skin out on the live, you know. Me sorry people, but me willing to skin out on the live and show Rosealee underneath me clean. So when you go for your white panty, I may go, Rosealee, when you use the bathroom, nobody else can go in there. You forgot? You forgot? Look here, you need to go sit down over a volcano. That's the only thing you need. Go and sit over a volcano. And then get the bid it. TikTok shop, sell it, you can get somebody install it. Pull the door, baby. You can get somebody install it for you. When you come, don't come for my child. 1 GX for the app and never 2. Big up yourself, GX. Continue your journey, youth, because foundation is set for you pick them. Turn on like you can put it on here. You see that? See there, you know that. Just put it on. I mean, not check the, not even check the time. But that there, man, just this here, just put it right there. Yeah. And then drop this up me night. See the nice thing, yeah. So, me I tell you. Me nah this no pick the pan the app coming to the picnic settings. So you can report. Yeah, you first them can report me because 1 GX me I say. A 1 GX me I say straight. So GX, hold on baby girl. Here me I say GX, come me see you over here. So GX, no answer back. Here papa, don't answer back. I see why you answer for you lose followers and lose gifters. Don't answer back. Do not answer back, youth. Go and do your thing. Cause she feels say people afraid of her man when she say a handsome gunman. We bad in a real life. Me I tell you that and me I tell them that. So me talk say my cousin and he give me cousin jacket and that money of course. Jacket. GX. From yesterday me want to talk to you about this GX. You see a youth, you need to go CPS GX and make them know say you don't feel safe with a child going around that girl with her man because it's on the media out there that him is a fish and him go and pat up your child body because him has same have a special love for the little boy. Remember GX at 2 pitney she have. Why him have a special love for the little boy alone? GX open your eye. Cause remember Barbar not talk. Barbar not talk like Shante. GX open your eye. Big up yourself. People, if you're not ready, you not come. Send no request and come. Send no request and come, people. Anybody ready? You send no request and come. What's going on?
Yeah, the thing that now.
Yeah. One med spa, big up yourself, my sister.
Girl, they shot man. But if you remember when you did shot monster and me defend you to the max. If you remember when you did shot monster and me Ivany roll out for you and class monster bring him down for you. And what you do? You come out and you laugh. Now look at you with Rosealee. I mean, I come laugh after you, you know. Because I try to have a mindset now when I just do me. But depend on mindset when I just want to learn trading. And the only reason I'm still over here because people them will teach me trading over here. I just learn me trading, master it. I make money and fight already. I have an idea how to deal with my thing by myself. I just want to master it, I offer this. You don't have to miss me. And you can't say, yeah man, go on because we don't miss you. Because me going, I better off myself. I make more money somewhere else. I no found on my black and that's why I say laughing at somebody downfall is different than talking about somebody downfall. You see my little thing we go on, don't you make video about me. Right? Don't you make a video about me with the same thing we go on over there. The reason why I don't black down here, him never laugh off of me downfall, him talk about me downfall. And me a teaching in the difference because some man don't sound nonsense. He make a video and he say, "Wanna go check." Let me show you something. Alright, chill out. I can't take it miserableness. And the ball can you just wait. Me a show you the difference with speaking down and somebody don't fall and laughing off of somebody don't fall when you say you're a person is friend. Everybody knows that when my head chip me block them TikToker. When you look, me unblock them. Not anymore. Cause I know I use style now and I go like no too slick. The attitude, chill out yourself. You see this is not talking, this is not laughing off of somebody downfall, this is talking.
Morning chat.
Just watch the difference. And this is my friend.
Somebody check for Ivany if you made a please share our 2 man them over there. Like somebody get burned. Me I know who did a cook or roof a house catch a fire. But me not see no burn pan of them. But me and them must say something about somebody get burned. Check pan out if me find out if we have to call fire extinguisher. Please.
Somebody said this is not no difference. It is a different. This and a laugh off of somebody don't fall. This is not laughing off of don't fall. What anything let me show you. This a laugh off of somebody don't fall. You say me and your friend. You say me and your friend. And you make video Ivany leaving her Yankee man house. I want to make video. Yeah, it's not a.
Well, my people, me know what you thinking in the comment section. I feel like say Ivany I deal with Dyema too hard because I see a thing King Donia do. And she not this King Donia. Tell me in the comment section, my people.
Friend, So if I that you consider as friend, you can go suck on mama. And that's why your friend always come this and call every little thing you call friend. And your friend that if you and your man if you have a friend on TikTok and you and your man fall out and your man chop you with one cutlass. And then you run off and because you run there, so you run like you see him ball. And your friend them can come out. If you have 3 friends on TikTok and 2 of them make a content about the man with chop you and the other one just stays and talk about it. You see one when I talk about it, and your friend that. You see the one when I talk about it, and your friend that. You see one we go make video because I know say it hot. And you want views off of it, and your friend that them the people that we go in miles for laugh off of you, forget a look at 100k views on TikTok. And your blood clot friend that. I'm gonna tell you why I'm a black dummy. Who did remember when time dummy and him woman allegations come out but when him beat up him woman? The whole TikTok did that, the whole TikTok class dummy. That's why I'm telling you, I'm too real for you over here, so. I'm just a black one off. Me play with my American friend them. The whole TikTok did dunk pan dummy. Every single body. I said dummy is a abuse and dummy this. Who did stand out? Jayden make video about him. Jabbas make the whole of them make video and they laugh off him. What Vani do? Me have me only. I could have act like I want to run down views. I could have get a quick 300k views off of contents. I could have clicked my live and talk about it because I know say in the moment everybody a talk about it and them never dip on your side. So if me did come out and never dip on your side too, my views them for my live would have probably the 5,000, 6,000. I come out and me defend you. I come out and me defend you. And people did I say, you defend abuse. And I say, I don't know that the girl dummy I'm a friend, me I defend my friend. And me defend dummy to the max. Something come at me with me now. And as dummy say, I'm a friend, look pan dummy. A day ago or 2 days ago, you said I never this Vani and in less than 21 hours you that make video because you want make content. Jayden now. Who did remember when Jayden did come on live? And me no remember what Jayden did do, you know. And it was big on TikTok. Then the time Jayden just come live on TikTok. Him just start playing match. The whole them time the Blinga live used to keep. Blinga live used to be the biggest live. The whole TikTok dunk pan Jayden. Them out for cancer Jayden blood clot. You hear me tell you say? The rankers, everybody out for Jayden. Jayden, who did join Blinga live and defend you to the max? Blinga had about 16,000 people on our live the night. I never forget that night. Blinga have over 16,000 people the night on our live. And Blinga have 1 bag of people in the box. And everybody did in the box and bring down Jayden. And I was the only person go up in the box and tell you for low blood clot Jayden. People make mistake. And I may defend you to the max. And this is Jayden. Oh, where am I do? I'm gonna tell you something. You see, one time, me used to pick up for Jayden and me used to say, you see any little content Jayden come out with, me used to laugh and me used to say, that's just Jayden. Jayden don't mean nothing, but Jayden smarter than me. You know what Jayden do? Jayden low-key really a style every mama blood clot where you see him talk about, where you see him make video about. You see through Jayden that man, you can't follow him up. I say stay. In this you low-key, forget where with it because I know people are gonna say I saw Jayden stay. I'm gonna pick up that long time. Cause enough time you do things, you do it to Annie, you do it to me, you this with mama. If Jayden upon the live and somebody tell Jayden suck him mother, I feel like I want back because I know the situation where Jayden go through with him mother. There's been a lot. I remember how me and him did upon live and I think at Tavier somebody tell him suck him mom and he face change. And I say, oh God, don't say that. And him say, why you talk about Vani, that good man? There's a lot of time you make video, you class the whole away. But you know say people are going to go back and say, Jayden that man, no follow Jayden, a content. You do it out of proportion because you know people are saying Jayden that. Not anymore because you know what you do. And the amount of time I block you, this a time I'm black you, I'm black don't make on the show no real. You show me who, you show me say, that on the depend me, I show me say, that me depend to me, no give a fuck. Who are next one? What name them? Name them out in the camera. What I want then? Jabbas. Jabbas, me could talk about it. Can me see upon live and y'all laugh. Jabbas, you forgot to say when the people then did come out and have grape by your name, Jabbas. Jabbas, remember when the people them come out and have grape by your name, Jabbas, and the whole social media don't pan you. Who stick up for you? Who stick up for you, Jabbas? When the whole TikTok don't pan you and a class you about the grape. Now me come live and all them time that me a skydive and a friend. Me and your friend, me a skydive and a friend. Me and your friend, me a skydive and a friend, and skydive and come for me live and frame you for something and that. And me that for run sky off of me live. And you come around and you talk about me too. And me not see the video with Abel making now. But if Abel make video for me will block him too. Cause Abel remember when bro, actually me pick up for everybody when me claim to see my friend if we really think about it. Cause remember when Abel and him pile situation come up, me defend Abel to the max. And if you don't believe me, there are screen records, you just need to draw for them. Screen records are there. How much I want me pick up for? And soon I come around now. Dyema she hot for me. Monster come out come say shot him. Me roll out for you more than how Rosealee roll out for you. I am Rosealee a friend. And me roll out for you and suppose you see me class monster. I me a monster friend you know. Me a monster friend you know. Suppose you see me class monster for Dyema. We in a court. I don't you call your name in a court you know. All I did was me hear me say Shane live guys. All I did was show them a picture of you. I never speak bad about you. And you come out and you throw shade and you class me. Me class you back. It done. Look there now. I am blood. What do you mean? Blame them attack. Blame them say you have the A word. I don't know, me not say nothing, you know. The only thing me do was laugh and say allegedly. Why me do laugh? Remember me and you are no friend. Let's be real. Let's be real. Why me would laugh? Me and you are no friend at the time. And blame them say something. And not because me ain't a friend either. How him say it. Blame them talk you have to laugh. Blame them say what him say. Me laugh and me say allegedly. Where me ever say anything bad? Me coulda did keep up with blame them you know. Cause remember me ain't a friend. Me coulda did say my two little sense boy yo. I did not. I chose not to. The only thing I did was laugh and say allegedly. You hear something going on with me, you see you click your live as it like you could wait. You click your live for me. You sound so stupid because when you click your live, hear you. Ivany she sit down and she a giggle. I know you're not cussy person with class here, you know. Just like in the court. I don't talk about you know, cause blame them will say what him say, you cuss me because me laugh. Look for you over there now with Rosealee.
Alright my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. You see me I say, because upon a level my people, you see them people up on TikTok, me I tell you, them bring down each other upon a regular basis. You know what I mean? I rarely you see them dash away the animosity and you know what I mean, live good. And as you see them dash with the animosity and the cussy and all these things, by the time a day or two are cussing again. You see me I say? So as me tell you my people, none no better than none. You see me I say? None of them TikToker yeah, don't better than none. You see me I say? Tell me what you think.
Does it give me a right for come laugh now? Me tell you say my mindset what me have now, me just stay far from you and me stay out of no business. When me soon on no drama, me not have nothing to say bro. Me no need to go in there because guess so. Me sure no say without mix up, me still a go be Vani, me still all get me views for my video them. Me still all get me views for my live. Me still all play a match and me still all get gift. When me soon no business, me allow no business. And stop going like say I show your love. Me tell you something. Rosealee has secret for Dyema and Dyema have secret for Rosealee. Dyema love to come live, come say she no fuck Javi. Well, are we a blood clot Jamaicans? And if Javi is a gangster as him say, oh you no fuck Dyema now. No, me worries about it. Javi, you claim to say he's a gangster. And you know, guy, we not care about TJ. We know TJ a long time. We not pay enough TJ in the mind. Me and him no friend neither, so you expect that. Javi, we claim to say I'm a gangster. You this, you oh, you know, fuck Dyema now. I remember Dyema love young man just like me. And none of the young boy them where Dyema used to fuck not have money like Javi. Them not have swag like Javi. Oh, you not fuck Javi yet. Rosealee know your secret go down to the ground where you walk pan. You know Rosalee's secret too. So you have to think twice now, you know. Yeah, you can come out and say you believe say Rosealee say something. You can come out and say that nothing wrong. Remember, Cked did once come out to come say him did believe said Rosealee did tell TikTok lawyer something too. Let's not forget. Let's not forget. TikTok lawyer did come out come say Rosealee did say this about Cked da. Cked go live and say with digital footprint never gonna win. Cked come out come say yes, me believe say Rosealee said this for true. I see there Cked and Rosealee now. So if Dyema do come out and say she believe, I don't know that yeah Rosealee can go back a friend, but why over there? But why you don't want talk? You don't want talk because you know Rosealee go jump up and come talk the things them, and then you have to go talk the things them, and maybe that I go make no split. Maybe it go involve Cked to involve Javi. I don't want it reach this, so you come a ball and I come talk. But when you like people, you know cuss them. We all know this. We all fucking know this. World dog. World dog. Let's be real, world dog. Let's be real. I could talk about you. Yanika go talk about me need to visit our doctor. You need to visit my surgeon. If me need to visit your gyna, you need to visit you need to visit CG Cosmetic. So I guess the both of us need to visit the doctor because you know look so 100. You need to visit Dr. Miami for your face and go visit CG Cosmetic for your ass and your breasts. I could talk about it. Go down in a memory line. I could go down in a memory line. And when you have a man like World Dog, your name I go call up, bro. Because World Dog is known for call everybody name when he cuss people. World Dog is known for go in your family and your friends and class people. So I will talk about it. Who did remember Cody? I will talk about it. Who remember Cody? I mean, I go back in the memory line. Because I know I always say Vanya liar than Vanya this. Anyhow, I did have the Instagram page there again. I'd prove it to you. Where boy near where did vex with me a World Dog one time. And in crash. He live in Atlanta and in crash and dead. One time the whole we did go down. We did have one we did vex with Cody. Something exposing did go on. And then Cody did go back go give World Dog much lion. And me did at the airport and he come give me much lion. Mr. Blicky. Yeah, Cody. Alright. Remember what did happen? And Cody did go Instagram live and I had beer girls pan him live. World Dog go over there in the box. Me go over there in the box. Cause remember Cody did look me now. Cody used to look me and Cody having baby mother plus the girl that went have over TikTok who used to give him. Who remember the Instagram live the one night when Cody did upon him live and be a woman upon him live. World Dog did upon the live. And me did upon the live and Cody did go like he want to style me. And me tell Cody say, man, me have to put up your cocky picture cause in a top send me hood. And did want me to come fuck him. World Dog never believe, right? World Dog never believe it no fun. World Dog are you alone left back by your life. Remember, even the people them in the comments are comment and I say go suck your mother boy, it get too personal. Even your own ex-gang them with your logo I say just any live World Dog cause they shame like dog over there. Me and Donia they pan live and Donia laugh off of you. Let's be real. Able come, able laugh off of you, able start chat. Dummy come, dummy laugh off of you. Everybody laugh off of you. Who was the only person there crying Cree for try and make peace? Try and make peace. Remember me could have laughed too, you know. Me and your friend, me and Donia friend, but me have a more ratings for Donia than you. Cause you switch at any time. Me coulda laugh off of you too, you know. Me coulda just depend on your side and start style.
Me chat more than your Rose, me chat more than you. Let me wait till you're done. Let me wait till the blood clot done.
You need to stop. Me I'm gonna back and forth over there. It's the back and forth where y'all look.
Then take time to
Me chat more than blood clot, your Rose. You want me go about this Rose? You want me go about blood clot this Rose? You want me go about this in the day, yeah? You want me go about blood clot this? Let me do and go and tell me if you don't hear me.
When I go at it, I will keep them up.
You better we go at it, pussy hole. Better we go at it. And you think you're poor shot of blood clot girl for me Rose, but go at it in the day, yeah? Just tell me if you hear me. But jump in my car and drive out. Tell me if you hear me. You hear me?
hear about his style, so his style for like it's so like somebody in one business at all.
Stop explaining, stop giving.
I go on, sis. It's all circle, no? Alright.
Go on. Yeah.
I would advise note your phone and tell you it. I would advise note your phone and tell you it. Is anything on the sort of my mouth? It has to be a reason. So if you chat me, I mean if you chat me, you'll chat your mouth.
You know no secret about for me if you chat blood clot me Rose. Rose, you have secret for me Rose, let me know. Rose, you have secret, you have everything more than more. Rose, who chat more than you idiot girl when you have no blood clot sense? And when people tell you the truth, you go like you have no blood clot. Rose, don't make me go blood clot it today. I go keep it blood clot peaceful. But you have to have your life. I mean, hear what Rose a blood clot say. We have your face up, you know what I talk?
I don't want you to go through this.
You know what I talk?
I don't want you to go through this, girl.
See, you know what I talk? So I'm going to see when everybody come up for me, my sister.
I don't want nobody turn down by you, but I don't want you to go through this with nobody.
See, you know what my blood clot talk? No girl now run out for me. I'm not so pussy. Are you blood clot love chat? Are you somewhere poor with your chicks and mongrels them?
You need to stop that and stop. I'm not calling your phone, they never call mine.
But you see, me fi answer, me not fi answer. You know what I do it?
No answer.
I show you I'm a big sister.
No give people the benefit I do. But him up. Oi. Me did see me star me there. Me I'll call you back, me girl.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me I say, and boy, I know who don't believe, Rosealee or Dyema. Tell me in the comment section, my people. Who I tell the lie and who I talk the truth.
Hello. Not know is it? Which Tessa is? For me nice Tessa? African Tessa? Oh, Tessa want me, baby.
Yeah.
Wow. Stupid. We don't run with stupidity. You understand? At the end of the day, which is night. My phone a blow up for man, I call on, I ring down, I call on, I ring down, I call on. Dyema come here because you want to do this here. You want to do this here. Let us do this here. When my pitting them get away from CPS,
When I make a vow to myself, I will never disrespect you. We will never have a brawl. I will never chat you, and I don't go behind my 3 lines. I'm a Gemini. Loyalty means everything. Damn, I don't know what you're doing or what you're trying to say, but honey boo boo, you need to stop. Nobody gonna further, moms. Moms, nobody gonna further. Moms, nobody gonna further, moms. Moms, nobody gonna no further, honey. On boo, nobody gonna further. I see what you say, I believe, makes no sense. I'm not gonna tell you why it makes no sense when you say you believe all of what Sunshine Doll is saying, because you say it. Anything at all with your Sunshine Doll is you, Dyema, say it. You tell the people them, and your people them tell her, is you say it. One thing what Sunshine Doll use, women know I use said at the night with boom boom. I'm here alone stand up there. I'm here alone stand up there. And when I walk, I'm saying I drop something at the bucket. I'm here alone stand up there. Someone knows that when me hear the woman with him, I know what you said. Don't come and play pity party. Don't come and play pity party and play a dance and feel like I can use the edits. And oh, Rosa trap me. I'm always bring them. You are evil and you're wicked. You need to stop. You're a big woman. Grow out of them something there. I don't know what you're doing. What we are doing don't make no sense. Because Sunshine Doll could have said the world. If I know me, I say so, I don't need to come and create an excitement. Because I know I don't say shit. Dyema, I never chat yet. Dyema, I chat my friend them. It's when me a friend, Dyema. It's when me a friend, I not chat my friend them. I want when a person double cross me double cross back them. I saw me do it in life. I not chat my friend them. He said me have something to say to my friend, I ring them phone number. Like I can call them and tell them all manner of evil. I call my friend, I ring my friend phone. I have a problem with my friend. I call my friend and tell my friend my problem I have with her. Listen to me. You say you say, hold on. What a way you say me eye black and blue. Bring my friend phone and say what a way you say me eye black and blue and purple. Why you say that? And you say me eye friend, ring my friend number and tell my friend what time it is. I was solving from there, so I not start nothing, tell me leave it. Me I talk out of my mouth like everybody else. Why when them come on the internet and want to paint picture on me? Like I am the bad person. Listen to me and I tell me if I leave nothing. I lack of this. Yeah, no I feel like he half. I restart and go back sub. I'm restart. No I restart and go back sub. Alright. I'm restart and go back sub. I'm going on night again. It's when me a friend, when me keep friend, I don't chat my friend them unless my friend them double cross me and have a problem with my friend them. I don't chat my friend them. No time at all. I don't know what kind of event you keep here, so. It's when me a Sunshine Doll with boom boom story. I know how you would come from. So I know yeah, try to rile up something. I don't know what you are doing. So when you come out this man, I don't know where you're bad for. When you come out this man in a ball, I don't know what you are. I don't know what you are crying for. I don't know where you're bad for. But anyway, long story short. I don't know where you're bad for. I not chat my friend him. It's anything we have to tell people, Dyema, and I'm a ball out it, peace, and little. I know you pretend and seems like I'm me I say it. And
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. And a long time people been saying it, say Rosealee and Dyema, them a gather up a lot of information on each other when you see them around one another, cause them know say them a go kick off and them want to have ammunition to take out the next person. You see me I say, and see it here, so say, so done. Let me know what you think, my people. Make watch some more.
I tell you in the last couple of 2 weeks, you talk too much and your mouth are your problem. Me now go come here and tay and blay. Me now go do it. You talk too much. It's up, it's off. Me go turn it down back. Me look at the comment. Wait. Me look at the comment setting. Baby, you see how wicked? My number change. Huh? My number can say how wicked. My number change. You don't even call my phone and say, Rose, or what that? You click live. Let's say how wicked. You know, say you show up the Judas in you. Clean, sweep. You don't even call my phone and say, Rose, or what this? You know me not say it. You know me not say it. You know I don't say it. You know from down in your bottom of your heart, Rose not say that. Because when Rose pick the gun and me alone stand by her blood clot side. So you know me not say it. You know me not say it. But you know you say it. And it come out twist. Because you, all of those stories of Sunshine Doll, you hear all the things where you hear Sunshine Doll, that you say, Dyema. But them twist it. And it's true, you don't want to be exposed of what you are saying out of your mouth to people, especially your moderators, them. You come out and play victim. You need to stop. You I tell you, as a person with me to really like, you need to stop. You have shown me that you are evil and you're wicked and you cannot be trusted. Oh, me for so long and chat a person when my back was against, when my back was against the roll, they had it. I'm not even gonna cry, because I don't need to cry. Oh, me for so long and chat a person. Oh, evilous would I be for me to sit long and chat a person when my back was against the wall, they had it. That makes sense, Dyema? Make it make sense, boo-boo. Dyema, make it make sense. Yeah, more you make it make sense. More you make it make perfectly sense. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Try. Show me under the bus and I show the rest you're real. But at the end of the day, you throw yourself on the bus and I show the rest you wicked. Because if me have somebody as a friend and I heard something about somebody, I'll never do a call my friend phone and ask her what is. Like when you can call me and tell me any other thing. Clicking live wasn't necessary. When you tell Sophia, your moderator, that I me by the two phone them, I rose by the two phone them, I did over courthouse attack. I didn't click no live and said nothing, and you never click no live and address it either. You know you do go on to the comments and say I never say that. You think I don't see you? You think I don't see you? Act. So you see how the cat bit your tongue, Dyema? You need to stop. As when they do this thing, you're only gonna make people to hate you. You need to stop. You never when that man and the people were keeping their court, and they said that, oh, the two phone them, Ray, are you? Is you? Dyema tell me so Rose by the two phone them. You never come and just say. You type on the comment section. Me never tell nobody that. Me see and I need there. Me see you, me see you underneath there. Me not see you underneath there. When I'm ready, when me's a girl, I'm ready, me go in a comment see now. Me see you, I say, watch you. I ask to myself, say, look, here, she don't come out and address that. And she want to address everything you want to address. You hear? So if I say you, say me by the two phone them. Your moderator. And them play our voice over the courthouse. And you come type. You know, click na live and say nothing, you come type. Now when you hear Sunshine die with our foolishness, where you will tell people, yeah, come on, he's a wicked. You is a wicked. Figure out no you're wicked enough, someone when I rub your shoulder. Or can him tell you tell me, say tell the person say you're wicked. Someone know what you do. You need to stop. You need to stop. If me in an argument and me in a brawl, you call my phone. Me have a phone number, you have a 2 number them. You need to stop. What are you doing? Any story when about the combo, any story I tell you come on the net, and your mouth it come out. Your mouth. I am so afraid of this net so bad. If me go say something to somebody, me know who me say it to. And all of what me say out of my mouth, I know me no hear it, on the net. And all of what you say out of your mouth, I me hear it. All of the story, the all care story are you. All of this is on you. You said all of those things. That's why me never did even have a follow it to come in your mouth, come in your love chat. You need to stop, Dyema. That's all I'm ever say. I'm not going to argue with you either, you know. I am not going to argue with you. You need to stop. You need to make bygones be bygones and you stop. You need to stop. Me and I go do the back and forth up over here. You see the back and forth where y'all look? You see the back and forth where y'all look. You see the back and forth where y'all look on the internet. We're not going to go at it and we're not going to kick the bucket. We're not going to go at it and we're not going to kick the bucket. Me stay real and loyal and genuine. You need to stop. Simple. You need to stop. Because when I have people in a panel, I bring down my name and I bring me down that you want. Is that you want? I saw you yesterday. I called you yesterday. You not play hypocrite, miss. You need to stop. You need to stop. I don't play hypocrite, miss. If I have something to say to somebody, I will say it to them. I will tell them myself. I don't need nobody to help me to tell nobody shit. I am a grown ass bitch. It's all of them things over here. I could have voice note the phone and tell it. I could have voice note your phone and tell you it. I could have voice note your phone and tell you it. It's anything when I say out of my mouth, it has to be a reason. So if you chat me, I mean you say you chat me, I'll chat you back. That is my reason. I don't know what you are doing. But my beggar, please do, you need to stop. The balling and the come and the ball and